Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new note on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on this icon at the bottom of the screen in the right side corner. And then as you can see at the top there is today's date and the exact time. Then you are ready to create your note by typing in whatever you want. As you can see at the top there is this uppercase T, so here you are ready to highlight your text, add drawings and so on. Down below or in the middle of the screen you are ready to add the check mark box or select formatting style features and so on. So if you are done with creating your note, all you have to do is just simply clicking on this button in the upper left corner, thereby going back to the home page, and here you will see that your note has been saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.